Opaque. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Opaque is an adjective, a word that describes something. It means not transparent or not bright. Madalas ginagamit yun as a descriptor pagdating sa mga bato or sa iba't ibang materials. Kasi kung ang bagay ay opaque, ibig sabihin hindi tumatagos yung ilaw sa kanya. Something like this. See how this would cover everything kahit na ilawan ko pa siya from behind. So this right here is opaque. Hindi katulad ng glass na transparent. Now, maliban sa pagdescribe ng actual physical property ng isang bagay, opaque is also used to describe something that is dull or unintelligent, something that is unclear, na hindi maayos yung pagpapaliwanag. So, kung gagamitin natin ng sentence, we could say something like, the professor's explanation was opaque, making things even more confusing than before he started talking. So, yung explanation ng professor nila ay unclear, dull, or hindi masyadong maintindihan. Kaya, lalo silang naguluhan. Alright, that's today's word of the day. Para ninyo makalimutan, gamit yun na sentence, comment nyo sa baba, and don't forget to follow me for more.